Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Tuesday. Look how green the grass is already. And it's still cold here at night. So it's March the 12th, 2019. Oh, thanks for stopping by. So I haven't done a van tour in a while. I thought we'd do a van tour. So I'm sitting in the driver's seat now. I'm going to pan around and we'll just start from the passenger seat and work our way back. So I've got a big tub of stuff right here. Just kitchen stuff. Advil, vitamins, let's see, Febreze, scissors, just kitchen stuff. And over here, you can see where my wire comes in from the alternator. When I want to charge it, while I'm driving, I just click that together. And when I'm stopped, I just unhook it. That's it. Simple system. Okay, so let's pan around. This is my winter coat that I needed this morning. There's my poop bucket down there. My paper towel holder, which is actually just a bar that comes up onto a desk that I have here. Sometimes I put it there and it swivels around. And it's mounted underneath the passenger seat, which I have turned around. Always keep it turned around. That's my recliner in the evening. So I have a recliner in my living room. Okay, so we'll keep going around here. I keep my hoodies hanging there. Just left Planet Fitness, so that towel's still a little bit damp. There's my gym bag. Coming on around, there's my shower bag that I actually take into the shower with me. It's got soap and shampoo and all that good stuff. There's my pee bottle. This is my trash compartment right here. Okay, now let me back out. Wish I could zoom out more, but I can't. So going on around there, I have my fan there. Overhead compartments there that hold socks and underwear. And there's my wardrobe back there. And my bed, of course. So let's go back over here to the batteries. Under that basket are my batteries. And I've cleaned up the wiring on them now. Much better now. Let me turn the camera for just a moment. And I will give you a shot of what's going on here. Much cleaner now. So wires come in, they go out, blah blah blah. You know how all that works. That goes up to the solar controller, which is right there. And there's my fan. And this little LED light pulls 0.2 amps. And I shine it upward and it reflects off the ceiling and it lights this place up really great for 0.2 amps per hour, which is the lowest I've ever seen. And I have some adapters there and a battery indicator there. And there's a cup I keep, usually for brushing my teeth. I usually use that cup when I'm brushing my teeth. Alright, so let me cover the batteries back up. We'll keep coming around. So I've got my wardrobe here. Got my carbon monoxide tester there. I've just got the front covered so the light won't keep me up at night. For some reason I have a dryer sheet stuck right there. I don't know what's going on with that. I guess I'll just leave that there. There's a little reading light. I push at night so I can lie in bed and read. Okay, so let's back up from here and I'm going to start back up to the front. This is so professional, Maddie. You must be a professional videographer. Okay, and that curtain, I keep it over the shoe organizer, but there's no shoes in there. It's bathroom items. Shampoo, soap, you name it. Razors, it's all hanging vertically down there. And I've got an entire bathroom supply of stuff in that one shoe organizer. Okay, so panning on around, there's my water jug, filing cabinet with casual pants in the top. Jogging pants and stuff like that. And the bottom is khaki pants. Panning on around, there's my basins I use for a sink. And that funnel, I don't even know how I got that. I never use it. In this dresser here, hold on, I'll let the siren go by. Every video, a siren has to go by. That's the rule. Okay, in this middle dresser, I have t-shirts, and towels and sheets. And in this is my blackout curtains that I use. This has food items in it. This is jeans. And this is junk drawer. Panning on around driver's seat. Okay. Oh, my cooler. Walmart cooler, but it's just about as good as a Yeti. Pretty close to it. Oh, and that blue tub there, that's dirty clothes. When it gets full, I go by the laundromat. And I've almost always used the drop-off service. Just drop them off that morning, pick them up that afternoon after work. Simple, easy, breezy, and it's pretty inexpensive. I've got other crates under the bed there. I've got 3 or 4 of those guys. And they hold things like, one is full of summer shorts, and the other is like a little filing cabinet that I have, personal documents and stuff like that, and another. And I think there's another roll of Reflectix under there. There's a suitcase under there. And my guitar is bungeed to the back. You see that green rope in the back corner? Well, that's the headstock of the guitar is in the case right behind that. So, there she is, guys. I'll pan out and give you one last panorama the best I can. So there's the view you always see when you're watching me do my videos, sitting here in the driver's seat. There's the view you have every time, isn't it, guys? Same view. Yeah, I could have straightened up a little better for this, but I thought, well, the people that see this are going to know how it goes, how van life reality is, and this is about as good as it gets on your average daily basis. Many times it's much, much worse. Oh, and those black panels there, that's my privacy panels for my windows, for that window, and the driver's windows right there. They're all cut to fit perfectly. Black on one side, Reflectix on the inside. Black on the outside, Reflectix on the inside. Someone told me in the heat of the summer I would be better off to turn the Reflectix outward. But that might draw attention and blow my stealth cover, so I don't know if I'm going to do that. It's working fine the way it is. And yeah, I really like this little basket over the batteries. I just do that so nothing can fall on top of the battery terminals and cause a spark. What else? Oh, that white panel there with the bungee cord on it. It's just a piece of cardboard, and I put it there so the blankets wouldn't... I have a problem kicking the blankets off this side of the bed for some reason. And they fall off in the floor next to the batteries. And so I put this cardboard piece here, and it's tucked under the mattress. It's bent, and a 90-degree angle goes... I did not say anal, I said angle. 90-degree angle. It goes under the mattress. And I just held it up there, and it keeps that army blanket from sliding off. I don't know what I do at night, but I'm kicking that blanket off onto the floor here. So I just put that up, and that has solved the problem. Keeps everything pretty good. And you see that I had to cut the Reflectix there. I cannot bring the Reflectix down that wall, because on this wall I am not able to leave an air gap. Here's the thing, guys, if you're doing Reflectix and you can't leave an air gap, like on the all the other has an air gap behind it, about at least a ½ inch. But if you can't leave an air gap behind it, it's going to draw condensation like crazy if you put blankets against it or your feet against it or something. So I have cut that out right there for that reason. Now come summertime, I'll put it back because it does great in the summer keeping the heat out. But as far as keeping the heat in the winter, it is not good if you don't have an air gap behind it, right? You can't put anything against it. It took me several times to try to figure out what was going on with that spot right in here being damp with condensation in the mornings. And that's what it was. The blankets pushed against it and my feet pushed against it. And it just, that temperature difference, you know, it just created that condensation. Couldn't get around it, had to do it. But come summertime, I will put that back up and that'll go all the way down to the floor behind the bed, because never have a problem in the summer, just the winter. So back out here and give you one last shot, guys. Sorry for the shaky, crappy video, but I just thought I'd do a van tour. I've made a few changes in the last few weeks and thought I would show you. Hope you enjoyed. Take care, be well, and click the bell. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.